The Chief Justice of Uganda has responded to the people who are trying to pressurize him to take side on the tension at Acholi, Acholi. The Apire versus Acana. So far, more of the chiefs are on the side of Rwot Apire Santo, and Acana is having a little fewer chiefs as compared to Apire. But now, many of the Acholi people want that tension settled, and they're looking left and right to who can settle that issue. But then they were thinking maybe the giants of Rochopajo or the Guarme Pongo, that is the Chief Justice Owiny and Alur, could get involved. But then they have issued a message from Chief Justice, and allow me to read the message for you. The Chief Justice, I know they are most, unfortunately, those who, for reasons they hold alone know, seek to drag promoters of participants in the Rochopajo mission into the contention existing between Rwodi, K, Acholi. For them, I have this to say: no amount of mechanization or ill will can derail this God-sent mission, whose sole purpose is to salvage our Acholi people from the socio-economic decadence that characterizes our sub-region. In this, we have been clear and continue with clarity that our pursuit is solely for our people. It's certainly not against any institution, civil, religious, cultural, or their leadership. We are cognizant of the various elements of contention between these leaders. We will never, in capital, the Chief Justice puts this in capital, we will never take sides with anyone or side against the other. It is for this reason that we have visited numerous Acholi at their invitation on the Rochopajo mission without having regard to what factions they each respectively belong to. Similarly, we have, for the sake of Rochopajo mission, exercised utmost restraint when our names are, without any basis whatsoever, negatively mentioned by some of the parties in the contention. We would be gravely concerned if the Acholi people whom we are openly addressing on our mission were to misunderstand our purpose and the modus operandi of delivering our message. Fortunately, which is what really matters, we are without any iota of doubt fully understood and appreciated by our people, for whom we continue to sacrifice in pursuit of full deliverance from the fangs of Rochopajo. The Lord God, who has delegated his Acholi children to carry this mantle, will see us through the desired hand. Achwalo Poch Kimama Dit. Message from Chief Justice Owiny Dollo Chigamoy. So now you know between Rwot Apire and Rwot Acana who the Chief Justice supports. You have got the answer. The Chief Justice is not against all of them. The Chief Justice doesn't want to mingle with this. The Chief Justice doesn't want Rochopajo. Alur doesn't want Rochopajo, or the promoters of Rochopajo to be involved as taking side with Apire or as taking side with Acana. Now you know who they support. You got the answer. Thank you so much.